Hello teacher and classmate, my name is Juliandra Quinche Jaramillo. I am studying environmental engineering and I will talk about my experience in Amazon jungle. Then stage 1, tips to go Amazon jungle. Last October I was in Amazon jungle. I went there to work in a project telecommunications, and this was a great experience. There I got there meet other people who also work in there. I had the opportunity to meet 3 indigenous communities and share with them in the Maloca, learn about their constructions, and I had to the jungle and visit this one in the company of an indigenous grandfather, and I came back in December to El Peñol. Stage 2, the climate in the Amazon jungle. Then the climate and the temperature is very hot. The jungle is very humid and the sunsets at night are so beautiful. Stage 3 is very important have wear hot and sun cream, wearing blue jeans and low sleeve shirts, tap drinking water. Also, it's very important to have all vaccines, especially the fiebre amarilla. Other plan is walk to the forest and listen to the sounds of the jungle. Allow you enjoy to the magic of nature. Visit the Ciénaga is an excellent plan. There you see the pink dolphins, the sunset, and alligators. Other tips that very important are wear jeans or leggings that protect you from insect bites because they are very aggressive. Do not apply essentials or perfume because attracts the insects, then it's a problem. And take a lot of thiamina before the trip. Stage 4, what you should do is you want to travel to the Amazon jungle. You must book tickets in hotels in advance because it's very expensive and the trips is very long. Stage 5, what you should not you should not travel to this place without the vaccines in camera. Thank you.